The graph shows the height above ground in meters of a ball x seconds after the ball was launched upward from a platform. Which statement is the best interpretation of the marked point 1.0, 4.8 in this context? Now, before we look at the answers, let's just look at this graph, and so we know. Right here is saying we have it was launched off a platform, it goes up, and then it comes back down. This is our height, so this is showing it got up to about 5.5 meters. Like saying at this point, it's just below 4 meters. At this point, it's at 5 meters. At this point, it's 5.8 meters. And what are these points? It's how long it's been in the air. All right, so at half a second, it's this high. It's about that high. So at 1 second, it's that high. At 1.5 seconds, it's about 2 meters high. And it lands on the ground before even 2 seconds have passed. So that's what this graph is representing. It's how high it goes over time. What the ball is actually doing is it's going straight up and then it's coming straight down in this case. Because it's just going, you're on a platform, you're standing, you throw the ball up, and then it goes all the way off the platform onto the ground. But this is showing how long it takes for that to happen. So this point right here, this is at 1 second in, and it's right below 5 meters. So if I'm looking at that, I go, okay, it means that at 1 second, it was maybe 4.8 meters off the ground. That's my guess, just looking at it. And then, yep, sure enough, it said at 1.0, 4.8. Ha, it gave it to us. I forgot about that part. So what does that mean? Let's look at our options. 1 second after being launched, the ball's height above ground is 4.8 meters. That looks pretty accurate to me, but let's look at the other three just to make sure there's not something tricky and that it just sounds correct. It's always good to read through, even if the first one seems like 100% the right answer. 4.8 seconds after being launched, the ball's height above the ground is 1.0 meters. Nope. 4.8 seconds isn't even on this graph. It would be out here somewhere. So that one is out. C, the ball was launched from an initial height of 1.0 meter with initial velocity of 4.8 meters per second. There is no information about velocity in this chart that we're given here. And the initial height of 1.0 meters, no, the initial height was about 3.7 meters maybe. Because this is our height over here. No, that has nothing to do. And then D, the ball was launched from initial height of 4.8 meters with an initial velocity of 1.0 meters per second. Nope, it was not launched from 4.8 meters. Again, it was launched from 3.8. This is not telling us velocity just by looking at those 2 points. We could calculate velocity, but no, what we are being told from that point is just at 1 second, it was 4.8 meters in the air. So that is confirmed. A is our answer. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.